Hi guys, welcome to back and how to download HP Pavilion 16 driver download. So open any browsers to Google search box to type as it is same and just right click. This is actually a officially website support.hp.com and driver and model like that. So just right click to open new tab. Guys, go to this websites driver support HP and driver model. Okay, so this is your laptop, choose your operating system, is it is showing here and different version. Okay, and then click to download. Okay, so that is your required driver. Okay, so this is bio system firmware, just click to download. Okay, you can extract it, so more require more informations and like that. Okay, and this is diagnostic, this is audio driver guys, advanced audio driver. So click to download and then it will install it. You just single click to open and next to install. This is installations process very simple. This is chipset, so try to first, this is latest. Okay, just click to download, then if go to back, so click to download. Okay, and this is graphic card, so this is NVIDIA graphic card driver. So this it is your file size and release date. This is older type. Okay, just click to download. Okay, click to download in easy to install. This is for the keyboard and mouse and touchpad. Okay, wireless button driver, and this is touchpad driver. This is for the wireless LAN Wi-Fi, and this is your local LAN. Okay, and this is Bluetooth, this is also Wi-Fi. So guys, one to one install, try to one by one. Okay, this is not required for you. But guys, download only driver of network, keyboard, graphic, chipset and audio. This is 5 type of driver required for your system. Okay, do not install the all, and this is not required. This is for HP recovery, means you getting some issues and like that, so you can install, and but you have to download from the Microsoft store. Okay, and this is software solutions like that. So I show you how to install the setup, which is you download it. Just click to yes and next. I accept a agreement and then next. This is installations path and then finished. After install the all driver, then guys restart your system. Okay, thank you.